Hello, this is Jack from SAT Math Review. Let's take a look at this question together. The first thing which strikes me about this particular problem is that we're actually given two different equations here on top of the actual text of the problem. Whenever this is the case, our first instinct should always be to enter in the two different equations exactly as they appear in the question. Now notice, it's actually not necessary for us to rearrange these equations into a y equals form. Desmos can understand a wide variety of different equation forms. Now, the first thing I notice when I look at Desmos is that our two different graphs aren't very well centered in the image here. Whenever this is the case, I'm just going to want to zoom in on one of the axes and pinch it to readjust the window to precisely the best view of our two different equations. For this precise reason, I actually encourage everyone to take the digital SAT with a touch screen, where this zooming process is much more intuitive. Now, whenever we're being asked for the solution of a system of equations, we're really being asked where do the two different graphs intercept each other. And these points are actually highlighted by Desmos as these gray points of intersection. Now remember, points on an xy graph are always entered in as x comma y. I want to read my final question, and I can see I'm being asked for possible values of x. And I see that there are intersection points at x is equal to negative 15 and x is equal to 11. When I look at my answer choices, I only see one of these, negative 15, appearing. And for that reason, for this problem, I'm going to like answer choice A. Thank you for watching, and be sure to tune in next time for more tips and insights into the digital SAT.